Hi, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 4-star hotel.
In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property, like amenities, room category, location, landmark facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here.
Hundred of reviews of this hotel, including Booking.com. Its review rating is 7.6,
Which is the very good.
category 1.
You can see on the screen room details like room size, bed type, room highlights, activities, amenities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Room category 4.
Category 5. Category 6.
Room category 7. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, in this hotel, a type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is superb and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. This hotel is 2 p.m. and checkout time of this hotel is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking a bit more details about this resort, please check link in the description. If you have visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property.